we must take the process of defect elimination seriously. We must take those who identify defects seriously. And when defects are identified, we must act on that. Like I said, this defect was known and acknowledged to be a problem by many. However, for whatever reason, no action had been taken to eliminate it. Because of this, somebody came very close to losing their life, and others came very close to losing a spouse, father, and brother. Because the only conclusion I can make here is that because this had occurred so many times with a lesser consequence, we became desensitized to it and didn't rationalize its true potential. From, I guess, my personal reflection, this has been something that I've had to make myself aware of. You know, I'm not perfect, and even since this incident, I have found myself becoming complacent with what is going on around me. You know, with this in mind, it creates an absolute necessity, I think, that companies implement a defect elimination process. You know, take it seriously and actively seek to remove the defects